Kennel cough, or infectious tracheobronchitis, is like a bad cold for dogs. It's caused by a mix of viruses and bacteria, often spreading in crowded places like kennels or dog parks. Symptoms include a dry, honking cough, sneezing, and sometimes a runny nose. It can be alarming to hear, but most dogs recover in a couple of weeks. Treatment usually involves rest, hydration, and sometimes cough suppressants. Vaccination is key to prevention, so keep your furry friend protected. Remember, if symptoms persist, a vet visit is always a good idea.